Listen, don't let anybody tell you what's not possible. Your goals are yours. I don't care how big or how small your goals are, they're yours. Don't let anybody tease you, criticize you, and tell you what's not possible. If I would have listened to all the naysayers, all the people that said, Wesley, you're not smart enough, I wouldn't be the multi-millionaire man that I am today. As a matter of fact, look at the license plate. I'm a billionaire. You hear me? I'm a billionaire! For everybody that honestly want to shift their lives from poor and average to rich and prosperous, I want to invite you to listen to a sound that would allow you to start meditating. That's what I do. That's my secret sauce, meditation. I've learned how to use my mind in a way to manifest what I want like this. It's my God power. And now I would like to give that to you. Let me suggest something before I let you go, whether you click the link below or not. In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. If you keep looking at what everybody else is doing, you'll never be able to focus on what you need to do to get where you want to go. Take action. Much love. Let's go!